Hello! Welcome back po dito sa Bodum Magus, dating Angel Francia PH Tarot. Ayan. Mga madam and sir, kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, ito po ang magiging kapalaran ng ating lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. No? This is a collective reading for all of the zodiac signs. Ayan. Okay. Ayusin ko lang yung ano natin. Paalala lang, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. So, this reading is from September 24 to September 30. Okay, weekly kapalaran for love, money, and career. Okay, lahat ng zodiac signs are welcome manood dito. Okay, let me know kung anong zodiac signs ka. Comment down below kung anong zodiac signs ka, okay? By the way, mamimigay po ako ng free private reading simula ngayon. Just follow me. Kailangan naka-follow ka, naka-subscribe ka, naka-like mo, like this video and then comment down na gusto mong magpa-reading, okay? Private personal reading, okay? Comment down below your zodiac sign and if gusto mong manalo, okay? Mamimili ako ng mamimili ako kung sino ang mananalo, okay? This month, okay? One person per month. Ayan. So, just mag-comment ka sa lahat ng videos if gusto mo. Ayan. Pinakamaraming comments. Ayan. Next, first card, sorry, you have the Wheel of Fortune. My goodness, mukhang maswerte ka this week. Okay, kung sino ka man, sinong zodiac sign. Ayan. Okay, this is a general reading and collective reading. So, it doesn't matter kung anong zodiac sign ka, pasok ka sa Wheel of Fortune. The fact na nanonood ka dito, okay, first to comment Wheel of Fortune, ayan, masiswerte. Magiging maswerte. My Wheel of Fortune. Charot. Okay. Next, you have the Ace of Cups. Mukhang may magkakabalikan. And with this card, ang nakikita ko, may magkakabalikan. May magkakaayos sa relasyon. Magkakaroon ng iba sa inyo if wala pang person. Magiging maswerte ka this week. Makakahanap ka ng bagong love life, panibagong jowa, panibagong partner. If hindi naman, this week mukhang there's a lot of healing energy with this Ace of Cups, no? Overflowing of joy and happiness with the Ace of Cups. Healing. Okay, healing in all aspect in your life. Healing in all areas of your life. Money, career, and relationship, and love life. Wow! Next, you have the Nine of Wands. Okay. Yung iba naman sa inyo is pagod na. So, take a rest this week. Kailangan magpahinga. Okay? Make sure that you're getting enough rest. Okay? Huwag masyadong mag-isip na kung ano-ano with this Four of Swords and Nine of Wands. Okay? Huwag masyadong mag-isip ng kung ano-ano this week. Avoid negative thinking this week. Okay? Iwasang mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. Next, you have the Five of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles. Okay. Sa mga lagay ko lang dito. Sa mga naghihirap dati, yung walang pera, may ibibigay sa iyo yung universe surprise. You see this unicorn? May hawak siyang bouquet. Page of Cups, may iso-surprise sa iyo yung universe. Okay? When it comes to money. And I feel like, especially for those of you na lonely, umiiyak, walang kinakausap, iniwan, may magpapaabot sa iyo ng pagmamahal. May mag-o-offer sa iyo ng pagmamahal para hindi ka maging lonely. Mafe-feel niyo yan this week na mararamdaman ninyo na hindi kayo nag-iisa. This could be a friend, a partner, a loved one. It could be anybody this week. That's the energy what I'm getting from this card, na mafe-feel mo na may handang tumulong sa'yo this week. Kung ano mang problema mo, okay? It could be, itong tulong na to, galing to sa, it could be anybody. It could be a friend, it could be your neighbor, it could be your co-worker, it could be your mahal mo sa buhay, okay? Pasensya na sa ingay, guys, ha? Next, you have the Emperor and the Judgment. Okay, release any, wag masyadong controlling this week, okay? That's the advice. Wag masyadong, kailangan bring compassion into your life. Okay, wag masyadong stricta this week para at humingi ng patawad. Okay, humingi ng tawad sa Panginoon sa langit kung naging masyado ka ng bato na yung puso. With this, you see this diamond, stone, ruby. Ruby is a symbol of love, passion, love, okay, passion. So it's a reminder na huwag masyadong, don't. So this card, your spirit guides is, nautal-lautal ako kasi kung anong binubulong sa akin, okay? Ayan. This card is saying na wag masyadong, you make sure na hindi maging bato ang ating puso. Okay? Baka hindi nyo na-realize as we are growing older, ang mga tingin sa atin ng tao, bato ang puso ni ganito na ganyan. Walang puso, kumbaga. Ayan o, wala lumabas sa kanya. Kasi yung iniisip niya. You see, this, napapaligid siya ng disyerto. Walang abundance, walang love, walang trees, walang harmony. Parang desert ang nasa likod niya. Andito may rupi. Hindi niya pinapansin. Ayan, may trono siya. Huwag masyadong stricta this week. Let go of any judgment that you have towards another person. Huwag mag-judge ng kapwa, hinay-hinay sa mga bibitawang salita. Okay, so again, with this Emperor and the Judgment, kasi dapat this week, I think ma-realize ng karamihan sa mga nanonood ngayon na parang kailangan, masyado na akong stricta, masyado nang matigas ang puso ko. Alam mo yun? Or maybe you are dealing with someone na parang masungit, hindi malambot ang puso, masama ang ugali with this Emperor. And I feel like with this Judgment, humihingi ka ng tulong sa itaas. Humihingi nga, pinapanalangin mo na itong tao na to maging maganda na ang pakikitungo sa'yo, hindi na siya bossy, hindi na siya stricto, basta hindi maging maganda na ang relasyon ninyo or whatever. Kasi the Emperor is someone na stricto, masungit, ano mo yan, narcissistic. May mga taong ganyan. They have narcissistic personality. Okay? So, ayan, yung iba sa inyo pinoproblemahin nyo yan this week, and hihingi kayo ng tulong sa itaas. Next, you have the Queen of Swords and the Empress. Okay? Alam nyo, kung ano man mga pangarap nyo, with this Queen of Swords and the Empress energy, nafe-feel ko, especially if ikaw ay babae na nanonood ngayon, there is a chance na kung ano mang iniisip mong plano with this Queen of Swords, ano mang idea ang gusto mong i-create, ano man ang gusto mong simulan, business, project, negosyo, items, magiging successful or magbibigay sa'yo ng kasaganahan with the Empress card. Empress card is a word for kasaganahan, abundance, wealth, money. So be smart, work smart. Yan ang advice with the Queen of Swords focus on your goals this week and make sure that you are resting well. You're taking care of your body, your mental health this week with the Empress card. This is also an advice from your spirit guides na make sure that you are spending more time with nature than you spending time on gadgets or anything. Okay. Lalo na pag sumasakit ang ulo nyo or mata nyo around the area of your eyes, that's a sign that you are absorbing the hindi lang radiation but yun nga, radiation, malakas ang radiation ng phones. Okay? Ayan. Next, last card here for this pile, for this deck, we have the 2 wands and 8 of wands. Ayan na. May good news na paparating regarding sa mga nag-aantay ng telegrama, sulat, visa, o ano man yan, working visa, ayan, anything. May marireceive kayo this week. Package, sulat, telegrama, padala, communication. This could also mean na meron kang ini-expect na communication, may plano kang kausapin na tao na lagi nasa isipan mo, and lagi mo siyang or mag-uusap kayo. This means that there will be some communication coming from a person na isinama mo sa plano mo sa buhay. Okay? But regarding with your plans, it's going fast as well. Some of you are planning for traveling. Nagpaplano kayong mag-ibang bansa. Okay. Punta naman tayo sa Oracle card. Any advice or messages from your spirit guides? Dream big! Let go of small thoughts about yourself. See yourself succeeding. Magsasucceed ka din. Lumiwanag, ibig sabihin sa confirmation. Lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo, matutupad. Okay? Yung iba, hindi this week. If not this week, very soon. Okay? Next, you have friendship. And you have break free. Okay? The bottom, you have healing heart. You're a powerful healer. Keep up the great work. Wow. It resonates with me. I take this energy. So, some of you, maybe you are a healer. Okay? May gift ka na manggagamot. Pwede kang masihista. Pwede kang maging spiritual healer. Okay? If this resonates with you, then take it. I'm taking this. It resonates with me. You're a powerful healer. You keep up the great work. Okay? You have a healing heart. So maybe it's a confirmation that meron ka ding gift. Pwede kang makapag-heal ng tao. So may kakayahan kang, especially, take note of this. Okay? Take note of this. One of the signs that you are a healer is pag may magkakasakit na aso and then pag inalagaan mo, there's a miracle happening na parang imposible ng, alam mo yun, those are the signs. And plants. Pag nagtatanim ka ng plants, if you have a green thumb, those are the signs that you are a healer. And pag yun nga, pero ano ka, usually mga empath sila yung mga healer. Kasi nakaka-pick up sila ng energy and then na-absorb nila, and then they can also send out positive healing. Okay? So if you are empath, if you are very sensitive toward around energy, big energy or negative energies, then that's a sign that you have a potential to heal. Okay. Friendship. Make a date for a play day with one or more friends. So, this week, mukhang merong mga pagtitipon na mangyayari. May selebrasyon, may magtatagpo. Friendship could also mean na makakatagpo kayo or makakahanap kayo ng panibagong kaibigan this week. Next, you have break free. Try different ventures and experiences as a way to grow and learn. Yung iba sa inyo is talagang with this card, ang nakikita ko is maglalakbay kayo. May iba kayong landas na patutunguhan, meron kayong ibang landas na may ibang landas na magbubukas para sa inyo. May ibang opportunity na magbubukas para sa inyo. Okay, there's a new experiences that you will encounter or you start experiencing this week. New ventures. A lot of you, yung iba sa inyo, makaka-experience ng transformation this week. Ayan. Next, last few cards. You have Lioness. You've earned all your stripes. Isa-isahin natin yan. You have Castle. It's time for healing, not war. And you have expectations. Don't seek anyone's approval this week. Okay, this week, sabi dito, feast. Sabi dito, ayan. Slow down and celebrate yourself. Mukhang nakikita ko dito, karamihan sa inyo is this week, parang dami yung kinakain. Okay, malakas ang appetite ninyo, malusog, kumakain ng mga prutas at prutas, gulay, nakaupo lang, chill lang. So, celebrate yourself. Do something na makapagpasaya sa'yo. Okay? Listen to your body. Ano bang sinasabi ng iyong katawan? Okay? And eat healthy. Start changing your diet. Mahilig kang kumain ng mga laging mga fast food. Maybe it's time to change. Ayan, you have number 13. By the way, I see number 29. Maybe lalabas to sa loto. You have number 29, 13, number 30, and number 12, and number 19. Okay, pwede nyo niyang itaya. Okay, Lioness, you've earned all your stripes. Yeah, I see you enjoying this week. Mukhang may magbabakasyon and then just relaxing. Ano yun, sunset or sunrise? But I feel like sunset or sunrise doesn't matter. What ang ibig sabihin niyan is with this yellow color na I see happiness, joy, the energy that I'm feeling from this card is I see you smiling. You're going to earn something big. Yung iba sa inyo accomplish. May dream na matutupad talaga. May pangarap na matutupad. No wonder na meron to. Lumabas to. Okay, next you have Castle. It's time for healing, not war. So, wag mag-focus this week sa away, wag makipag-away. Focus ka sa healing mo. Focus ka sa sarili mo. Especially sa mga may sakit dyan. O iwasan na makipagtalo. Okay? And last but not the least, you have expectations. Don't seek anyone's approval. So, hayaan mo kung ano mga iniisip ng iba. Kung ayaw nila sa'yo, di wag. Okay? You don't need someone's approval. If they don't like you, so what? You're different. Be you. Accept yourself. Love yourself. Kahit maitim ang balat mo, kahit hindi ka gusto dahil maitim ka, black person, kadamihan, di ba, mga racist. So, we cannot please everybody here on earth. Everyone has its own enemy. Walang, kahit nga si God, di ba, meron si balance lang. Si God, meron si Satanas. Di ba? Mga politicians, lahat. Kahit sobrang sikat na tao at pinakamabait, merong ayaw sa kanila. So, how much more pa ikaw? How much more pa ako? Lagi yung tandaan yan. You cannot please everybody. Especially sa mga nag-worry na, hindi nila ako gusto, ayaw nila sa akin, madidepress ka na. No, it's okay. You cannot please everybody because everyone is different. It always is. Okay, there are 12 zodiacs in the constellation. Iba. There are 12 different zodiacs. Okay? Ganun ang concept. Iba. Okay? Iba. Iba-iba tayo ng gusto kasi iba-iba tayo ng pananaw. Kaya hindi natin mapiplease ang mga tao. Iba-iba ang ating mindset, iba-iba ang ating opinion, iba ang gusto natin, iba ang pangarap natin, iba-iba. So that's one of the reasons why you cannot please everybody because they just don't vibes with you. They just don't align with you. And that's okay. You just have to find your own people, find your tribe, find where you belong, and stay there. Kung may ayaw sa'yo, wag mong ipilit ang sarili mo sa kanila. Move away from them and go find some people that will accept you as you are, and they will love you, and they will support you. Ayan. Okay, so don't focus on the negative, on the dark forest, and don't isolate yourself once na na-feel mo na hindi ka nila gusto or something like that. I guess this goes for the millennials na nanonood, because I know sa mga matatanda, accept na nila. They're very wise, okay? Alright, so ayan po ang kapalaran bago ako magtatapos. Diyan ba natatapos ang ating reading? Pero, bago ako aalis, kung interesado kayo sa mga items na binibenta ko, stay. If you're not interested, you can go and you can leave the channel. Sure. Okay. So na tayo. Love and relationship spell jar. Okay? So naghahanap ng kung gusto niyo magkaayos kayo ng jowa mo, magkaayos kayo ng asawa mo, gusto mong bumalik siya sa'yo, something like that. Or if hindi naman, gusto mong magkaayos na kayo ng magkakapatid, magkakapamilya, pwede ito. Relationship repair. Okay? Repair jar. Kung ano mga dapat ayusin, aayusin. 550 pesos. Take a screenshot and then message me, Bono Magos. Find me on Facebook page, Bono Magos. Okay? Love and attraction spell jar. Naghanap ka na ba ng afam? Naghanap ka ba ng hinahanap mo ba si the one? Hinahanap mo ba si Romeo? Or si Juliet? The Romeo of your life, the Juliet of your life. Ayan. Sino pa mga iconic chorba? Adam and Eve. O, diba? So, love and attraction spell jar. This is 550 pesos also. Lahat ng to, itong maliliit, 550 pesos. Okay? Take a screenshot and then message me. Okay. Business success spell jar. Okay, ayan. 550 pesos. Kung gusto mong maging successful ang business ninyo, for only 550 pesos, ayan. You can do the ritual. You can put the name of your business inside this jar. Of course, you write it on a piece of paper, and then you roll it and you put it inside, and then patak there, and then do the ritual. The instruction included in the package na. Okay? Next, you have the justice spell jar. This is only 550 pesos. If you have been bullied, if sinaktan ka, inabuso ka, ni-rape ka, ninakawang ka, nakulong ka, pinakulong ka, wala kang kasalanan. Okay, basta, so naghanap ng hustisya. 550 pesos. Sample na lang to kasi ito yung sa akin. Okay, syempre ginawan ko na yan. Nilagay ko na yung name and then yung gusto kong mangyari sa tao na yan. Okay? So, personally, ayokong malaman kung sino yung sinulat nyo dyan at anong yung mga gusto nyo mangyari sa tao na yan. It's up to you. Okay? Ayokong makialam dyan. Whatever yung gusto mangyari. And then, do the ritual. Okay? Of course, available pa rin ang ating best seller. Oh my goodness, I love this bracelet. Napaka-powerful. Ito yung unang item ko dito. And I'm so proud of my work. For only 700 pesos, you have a lifetime forever and ever protection bracelet, money magnet bracelet, pampaswerte bracelet, whatever kahilingan mo, ibulong mo dito sa bracelet. Okay? Ang daming feedback nito mga madam and sir. And I'm so proud of this. Okay? Ang sikreto ko dito is of course, yung ritual sa Latin. May very ritual na minana sa akin. Okay? Ng aking great grandfather. Okay? My ancestor. Alright, sa mga naghahanap ng panangga sa kulam at protection sa kulam at mangkukulam and healing necklace, This is only 1,000 pesos. Meron ka ng lifetime protection sa kulam. So, mahirap na. Baka may nakaaway ka. O, diba? So, at least maganda na yung protektado ka. Protektado ka ng necklace. So, you be safe from any bad intentions na gagawin sa'yo. For only 1,000 pesos, saan ka pa? Lifetime protection na pwede mo pang ipamana sa mga apo niyo pag nawala na kayo. Okay? What else? Generational curse, ancestral healing. Necklace po ito, mga madam, Okay. Ayan. Isuot nyo to during ritual. Of course. Okay. Isuot nyo yan during ritual. Ayan. For only 1,900 pesos. Ang ritual lang actually binabayaran nyo dito. Okay. Ritual po. Ayan. Kasama tong wooden cross. Isusuot nyo to habang nagre-ritual kayo. Yung instruction andon sa package kasama nito. Okay, so I think yan lang po. So maraming salamat. I'll see you guys again tomorrow or next time kung kailan ako mag-upload ulit. Maraming salamat. God bless. More power. Ingat po. Paalam.